we need to convert a fraction to a percent in this problem. So there are different ways you can do. One way is you can first turn this fraction 1/6 to a decimal by doing long division 1 divided by 7. And then you can turn this decimal to a percent. Or you can use the proportion to do it. So if we use a proportion, we set up 1/7, this is the fraction given, equals what percent, because the question is what percent, and this what percent, I use x to represent the question mark, and the percent means out of 100, so I turn that into x out of 100. Now, since this is a proportion, cross products are equal, so I have 1 times 100 equals 7 times x. Now, 1 times 100 is 100. So we can divide both sides by 7 to get rid of 7. And since this is multiplication. So now we just have to figure out what 100 divided by 7 is. So let's do long division 100 divided by 7. Now 7 doesn't go into 1, but 7 goes into 10 one time. 1 times 7 is 7. 10 minus 7 is 3, and bring down 0. 7 goes into 30 4 times. And 4 times 7, 4 sevens are 28. And subtraction again. Now, if you want to continue to get decimals, you can add a decimal point both in the answer and in the number, and we add a 0. So we can bring down the 0, and 7 goes into 22 times. And 2 sevens are 14, so we subtract them, we get 6. And so I think I'm just going to do one decimal. Well, I need to see if I should run it up and maybe do one more. So bring down, add another 0 and bring down. And I notice that 7 goes into 68 times. So we probably should run this 10th place up. So the answer will be 14.2%. So the answer is 14.2, which is 14.2%. So if you did the first method, divide 1 by 7, so after you do long division, you're going to get 0 points. This process will be very similar to this, except the decimal place will be in a different spot. So you're going to have 1, 4, 2, 8. So in that way, you will get a decimal, which is 0.1428. In order to turn a decimal to a percent, you will have to move the decimal point to the right 2 places, which still gives you 14.28 or 14.3. Sorry, I should run that 2 up to 3.